We all have heard that saying, fake it until you make it. Fake it until you make it. Look like it until you actually get it. But you know what I have realized being independent, grinding, learning, watching others, watching the system, it's not about faking it until you make it. Because then you're building false hope. Because you might be lacking in an area and you're so blindly on thinking you got to fake it that you're never working on whatever it is that you actually need to work on with yourself to get there where you're trying to get to. So it's not about faking it until you make it. It's about making it until you make it. Keep working on you. Keep working on what you're trying to do. Keep working on your products. Keep working on your business. Keep working on your dreams, your goals, your vision. You know, regardless of what's going on around you, don't fake it. Make it. You know, I try to do everything that I'm doing right now by example. Not that, oh, I got to show everything that I'm doing or how I'm networking. Nah, it's to also just to leave an example that you can do this, and you've seen it from someone who's just like you, who came from the slums. I'm from Little Rock, Arkansas. I was born there. You see what I'm saying? And I done seen a lot of pieces of the world. I haven't seen everything, you know what I mean? But I done seen some stuff coming from where I'm from. People that's where I'm from haven't even got a chance to see a quarter of it yet. So I'm thankful, but I know I got a long ways to go. So I want to lead by example. And I'm not trying to fake it until I make it. I'm trying to make it until I make it. So I keep working on my self as an artist. I keep working on myself as a businessman. I keep working on myself as a father. I keep working on myself as a husband. I keep working on myself as a friend so that way I can have a good bond, you know what I'm saying, with one of my partners, you know what I mean? I keep working on myself, you know. I get it that we're not going to live forever. And I remember an old man told me this. He said, son, live each day like you're going to die tomorrow. And that way you'll spend more, you'll do more with your time. You'll utilize your time more. But he said, learn in each day like you're going to live forever. And I know it might sound a little backwards, but think about the logic to it. You want to learn like you're going to live forever because that's something that's going to always be a great benefit for you and a benefit for your loved ones, a benefit for your circle. To always learn, never limit yourself. And I don't know what exactly you're trying to do with your life, but I know you can do it as long as you don't limit yourself. So me personally, I get my hog on. I specialize in welding and fabrication and installation. That's what I do. You know, I'm an artist. You know, I like to create. I like to build products. And who knows what I might come up with here in the near future, because I see things and I think of needs, and that's how good products, good tools are made, because you experienced a situation where you was like, you know what? If I can come up with this here, surely I can make this a whole lot better and easier. Bing! There you go. There go a product. Or here go a service that only you can provide. So I always think outside of the box, man. I want to say that this Sunday. I don't know what you're doing, if you're enjoying your family or whatnot. Enjoy life. You know, always be thankful. Things could be worse. You know what I mean? No matter what the situation is, be thankful. Keep your faith. Stay focused on what it is that you know you want to do, and do it. And don't fake it until you make it. Make it until you make it. Hold on.